Today we're going to talk about the stages of making money with land flipping and what you need to do at each and every one of these stages, and also what stages you need to stay away from. So as a beginner, you have 3 different stages when it comes to making money with land flipping. Stage 1 is doing $5,000 to $10,000 deals. That's something you honestly want to stay away from because it takes the same amount of time to do the small deal as it does the big deal, so you might as well just do the big deal. When you're dealing with $5,000 to $10,000 profit deals, you're dealing with sellers that you honestly really don't want to deal with. They're non-responsive. They're rude many times. They think you're trying to scam them. They don't want to talk to you. They don't want to answer the phone. And sometimes they don't even want to come to the closing table when it's time to close. So honestly, I would skip that stage altogether. When I first started my land flipping career, I was trying to go through and find little deals because I thought that those little deals would be easier to do than the bigger deals. Almost like if I'm a martial artist, that's my white belt and the bigger deals are my black belt. It's not the case when it comes to land flipping. You need to skip straight into the deals that are going to make you $20,000 profit or more. At the stage in where you're just doing $5,000 to $10,000 profit deals, you don't really have a lot of money for yourself and you don't really have a lot of money to put back into your business, more marketing, etc. Let's say that the sales cycle for a deal like this is 60 days. Okay, so it took you 60 days to make $10,000. That's not enough money for you, and it's not enough money for you to put back into your business. We're doing this to make money. Never forget that. We're not doing this for vanity. We're not doing this to look cool. We're not doing this for any reason other than to put money back into our pockets. And if we're not doing that, then we're failing. You need to be evaluating what I call anywhere from A to B plus assets when it comes to land flipping. If you're constantly evaluating these kinds of assets, properties that are 10 acres or more, most likely rural recreational, in markets where comps in the last 6 months have sold in 120 days or less. If you're consistently going after these kinds of assets, you'll create a conveyor belt for yourself and where you can consistently make $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000, so on and so forth. This brings me to my next level of making money with land flipping. Deals that bring profit of 20 to 60K profit per deal. Now, when you're in this realm, a few deals can be life-changing. You do 5 deals in just a year and you can make $100,000. That's less than a deal a month, and honestly, you're really not setting that much bail in order to get those 5 deals. You're also able to put cash back into your pocket while continuously scaling your business to go after even bigger deals. You want to go after bigger deals and go after deals that'll make you $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 plus a profit, because that gives you more opportunity to put cash back into your pocket, make yourself wealthy, build yourself up, and put more money back into your cash printer, which is providing this cash for you. You cannot do that with a $5,000, $10,000 deal. You can do that with deals that bring you 30, 40, 50 grand plus. You can find these deals in rural recreational markets in the South and the Midwest consistently. You can find these deals multiple times a month if you know exactly where to pinpoint your market research. The next level of making money with land flipping is doing $60,000 to $100,000 profit deals. If you can consistently do deals like that, now you're setting yourself up for a 7-figure a year profit business. Now, of course, you're gonna have to start sending anywhere from 15 to 30,000 mailers per month in order to consistently get 3 to 5 deals just like this. But if you know exactly what you're doing with your data and if you've invested into the education, then you'll be able to create a conveyor belt of deals that are doing $60,000 plus. Imagine you have 3 deals a month that make $60,000 net. And all you had to do was spend anywhere from $7,000 to $15,000 per month and invest in education to do this. Now, at the point at which you're doing 6 figures profit per month, you will have to have someone on the phone for you. You will have to be scrubbing your lists a lot more, and you will have to be a lot more targeted in your approach. This is the exact place that I'm in my business right now, and I'm very targeted in my approach. I scrub my lists. I have teams of people doing these things for me, so that way I can overlook and either approve or deny deals. This is the place you want to be in because this is the easiest way for you to consistently make cash. You can clear through $400,000, $500,000 in profit in just 1 quarter if you master this level of money making with land flipping. But you cannot master this level of money making with land flipping if you do not get the education. My one-on-one 6-figure fast track coaching program helps people get to that level, and I've had students consistently make $50,000 profit per deal on multiple different occasions. Once you get into that realm, you'll be able to collect cash and scale your business to the point where you're making $1 million in profit per year. It's important to understand that through all of these levels, you must be able to take care of yourself as well. A lot of people will put everything back into the business. Understand that if you're not taken care of first, you're gonna have stress that you don't want to deal with. You also have to understand that every single person's personality type might not be able to deal with the inherent amount of risk that it takes at some of these levels. Some people cannot handle the stress that it takes at the 7-figure level because you're spending anywhere from $7,000 to $15,000 a month in order to get these deals back. You're investing a good amount of money in order to get these deals back but the returns are outsized. So for me, I'm always willing to put up the risk in order to get the reward. Some people are not willing to do that. And if you want to make 6 figures profit per year doing this business model, you can just do a few deals and make 6 figures profit per year, travel the world, work a couple hours a week, and literally do this by yourself from your couch. This is a business model where it literally goes at your own pace. You don't have to do $5 million a year if you don't want to. You don't have to do $250,000 profit if you don't want to. You can do way more or way less. You can just do $50K a year profit doing this. That's one good deal a year. So understand that there are multiple different income levels for the amount of risk and for the amount of knowledge that you're willing to take on. Land flipping truly is a blue ocean because there are 54 million vacant land parcels all across the country, and deals continuously exchange. So let's say 10 years ago, someone bought and sold a property. Now that person that bought that property might be ready to sell it for under the market value for whatever reason. It's a continuous exchange. A lot of people ask me all the time, are you worried that if you teach this to people, you won't do as many deals? Actually, since I've been teaching people, I've done a lot more deals. I fund people's deals all the time. I JV, I take assignments, I do people's deals all the time from everywhere. So you really need to see this as a blue ocean and an opportunity in where you can make 6 to 7 figures profit per year consistently. Your marketing and who you market to will always be the lifeblood of your business. So make sure that you're always marketing to quality leads in quality markets and where properties are selling through quickly and at a price of $100,000 or more. If you consistently do that, you will have a business where you're netting $20,000 plus profit per deal. That is where you want to stay. Make sure you stay away from any deal that's $5,000 to $10,000 in profit, unless it's a super easy cookie cutter deal. If it's not a super easy cookie cutter deal, stay away from it. Do not overcomplicate these things because honestly, the stress that it takes for some of these deals can take a lot out of the person. And if you're not going to get the payoff for that, then you will burn out and you will not want to do this anymore. Getting the education will save you from the headache that comes with doing this by yourself. So make sure you join the premium Discord. The link is in my bio. If you get the premium Discord today for a year, you can get it for 60% off right now. Make sure to click the link in my bio to get access. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what training you want me to do next. This is Femi with Landverse, and I'll see you next time.